Welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to reset keybinds in Valorant to default. So guys, step number 1 from this step-by-step guide, it says reset all the settings to default. Thankfully this process will help in lengthening it and also will help you. So as you can see, step number 1 says click Windows plus R on your PC. When you click Windows plus R, guys, you'll be running the run application. Then after that, type in the following colon percentage local app data. Okay, then hit enter. Once you hit enter, you then explore the Valorant files. Once you explore the Valorant files, go ahead and delete the Valorant files and then restart the Valorant. By doing so, guys, you'll have reset everything to default. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.